Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I realize that I am greeting you with a full face of makeup. I don't have to do that. Here's what happened. I had a vision, it didn't happen, it turned into something else, so I've decided this video is going to be 80s Barbie Core makeup, okay? This is obviously the look that I created, so if you want to see how I got this, we're gonna get right into it. All right, so some of the products that we're going to be using are matte fluid eye paints from About Face. I've got Lasagna Rose, this little mini guy. We have Iconing, wait, right? Right? Incoming, Iconing. I like Iconing. Incoming right here, and then the white one, which is called White Noise. I also grabbed eye paints from Half Magic. I have this shimmery one that's kind of like a purple blue shift. It is the shade Baby Bunny. Crown Please, which is also a purple shade. And then we have this nice periwinkle, which is Sky Juice. I like Sky Juice. And then, very excited, I picked up the Girl Talk palette from Trixie Cosmetics. This is my first time, well, it's actually not, but today is my first time trying Trixie Cosmetics. I'm very excited about this. Is a pressed pigment palette. The colors just spoke to me. Absolutely stunning, especially for summer. Why do you move I don't understand how you move. I don't move you. Why do you, I don't get it. Aren't these earrings so fun? They love to spin in different directions, which kind of bothers me, but I love them. Look at that sparkle. Okay, so I used something called a makeup comfort cream as my base, which had SPF 50, so I ended up putting it everywhere, including my eyes. So I am just gonna leave it. I've been kind of like patting out any creasing. Whatever is there is there. Just a very, very slow motorcycle. So I'm gonna start off with Half Magic. I'm going to use the color Sky Juice. I just love this like periwinkle color, is so pretty. I'm gonna just kind of like paint this on the outer part of my eye to start, to blend this. And then I'm using the Sigma Detail Blending Brush. This is the E27. So my favorite way to use eye paints most often is as a base for a powder shadow. So I'm thinking I'm going to create the eye look using all of these eye paints, and then I'm going to reinforce using the pigments from the Trixie palette. I feel like an 80s like super glam woman right now. Just like with the lip and the eyes. I'm gonna grab Crown Please. I'm gonna run that on the lower lash line, outer part of the lower lash line. Kind of connecting up. I'm just gonna use that same brush. Quickly pat out and then blend up into that shade. If you're not like experienced with eye paints, or if you're using them for the first time, definitely like put one down, blend, then go back in. Now I'm going to grab the fluid eye paint from About Face. This is in the shade Lasagna Rose. This is one of their little minis. And I'm going to place this in the inner part of my lid. I'm using the Sephora 15 brush to blend that out. Kind of just patting that diagonally into those purpley shades. Oh yeah, 80s glam for fucking sure, dude. Love. Next, I'm just gonna grab a little blending brush, and I'm gonna kind of like blend around to the edges of all of this just to soften it a little bit. I think I'm gonna build up that purple on the lower lash line a little bit more. My camera doesn't know what to focus on right now. It's confused by my lips and my nose and my eyes and my earrings. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more of, what was this called? Sky Juice? How could I forget that? Just because I feel like I've lost it a little bit and I like it. So I'm not worried about like the fact that these two colors are kind of clashing right now because I am going to reinforce with shadow and I can fix that clash. It's all a process. It's like actual painting. I don't know, I kind of like it when it's messy at first. Otherwise it feels like it's not going right. I don't know, that's my weird assessment of that. Okay, using the Trixie palette, I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which is Boy Band, on a little blending brush. This is from the Sigma Samantha collection. And I'm gonna place this on the outer corner of the eye to begin with. It's kind of like a darker version of Sky Juice. So I'm just gonna lightly tap that over that color. And then using like this small pointy brush, this is the Yano Series 01 brush. I'm gonna pick up this purpley shade right here. I'm gonna place this on top of that color on the lower lash line. And then blend up into that like periwinkle, dark purple, whatever, it was a periwinkle. And just extending that underneath into a wing. I'm pretty surprised at the lack of fallout with these pigments. I mean, I have been tapping off my brush, but they're actually pretty far nice. Picking up a little bit of Boy Band and running that on the outer corner of the lower lash line. Kind of blending these colors. Cue the yard work. I love it. I love it. Now I'm gonna marry this blue, this is messy. I'm gonna marry this blue with this pink using whatever from the palette on my Sigma E54. So I'm just going to angle my eye and pat between those two shades. And then blend that a little bit into the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with a shimmer in that area, so don't even worry. For my waterline, I'm gonna go in with Shiseido. This is the Micro Liner ink in the shade Violet. How did that happen? Okay, I just went into blend with a brush that somehow had concealer on it, and I just like ruined this whole side, and now I don't know what to do. Oh, this is why I need to clean this desk before I start. I'm gonna pick up whatever, which was the pink on my Refer 02 brush, and I'm just gonna carve this out with that. I'm just gonna have to make it like a little bit bigger. And then that purple shade, I'm just gonna kind of like define that outer edge. Sometimes you mess up and you just like have no choice but to go even bigger, you know? And then I'm gonna grab my Refer 21 brush, which is a flat brush, and a little bit of foundation, and just kind of like clean up the edges. Just on the outer part, up there. Okay, for the center, for like this line, that got really messy. I'm gonna go in with Half Magic once again. This is in Baby Bunny. This is a nice shimmery product. So I'm gonna make sure that I keep my eyes nice and flat. I'm painting it just in that line. And then I'm just gonna use my fingers to kind of like diffuse the edges a little bit. Don't blink. Don't look up. Patrick Ta. Always Patrick Ta fan for the win. Okay, and then for the inner corner, I'm gonna mix About Face pigments. This is White Noise and Incoming, not Iconing, although I would like to start a petition for them to change the name. Just gonna mix these two shades on the back of my hand. And then using a brush that's way too big for this, but I'm gonna use it anyway. It's the E45 from Sigma. Hello, can you focus on my face? I'm just gonna pop this in the inner corner. You know what, that's actually too light. You can't even really see the yellow. I'm gonna go in with this, but then I think I'm gonna go straight in with the yellow on top. Yeah, that just looks like my skin tone. I don't like that. I mean, it's kind of glowing, which is nice, but I think we just go straight in with this yellow. I'm using the Refer 03 brush. I'm just gonna wipe it off. I really need to clean my brushes. I want an atomic pop color. That's cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna curl my lashes with my Refer lash curler. I'm gonna apply a few coats of the Give Beauty mascara. And then I'm gonna go in with these lashes. Angela Bright's collab with Flutter Lashes. These are the Bright lashes. Oh, those are cute. I love a half lash. I love that half lashes are like the thing now. So I just can't wear full lashes anymore. But half lashes I can fuck with. Those are nice. I like. Oh, I like those lashes. Do I need to start wearing lashes again? I don't know. All right, guys, here are the finished eyes up close. Are they in focus? How do we feel? What do we think? It took a second to get there, but we got there, and I love it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Perfect for Pride, maybe a Barbie premiere, I don't know. Again, if you're interested in the lip products, it'll be in that video trying new products, which is, if you go to my videos, like they're all in a line. So it'll be either, like I said, one or two to the left or right, because it's a good one, it's a good one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and whatever. Leave me a comment, let me know what you let me know what you want to see next. I'll definitely be using a lot more Trixie Cosmetics, and you know I love an eye paint. So, yeah. Have a good one, peeps. I'll see you in the next one.